In this video, I'll show you how to create an empty ACI eManifest with BorderConnect using a mobile device. Once you're logged in, using the Quick Start menu, click Start New ACI eManifest. We'll begin by entering the trip details, starting with a unique trip number that starts with your company's highway carrier code. Next, we'll enter the first Canadian port of entry, and if you see a magnifying glass icon, that means BorderConnect will automatically look up the information for you. Ports can be assigned by entering the port code, the name of the Canadian port, or even the opposite US port. Now enter your estimated arrival date and time. If you're crossing Friday, just select Friday and then the time below. Here, trucks, trailers, and drivers can be quickly assigned. Trucks and trailers by entering the unit number or the plate number, and drivers by entering the first few characters of the name of the driver. Notice that BorderConnect stores everything for easy reuse and fast lookup. Adding a new trailer? Do it on the fly by clicking Add Trailer. Just add the trailer information and click Save. It's now assigned to the manifest. We've completed adding the trip information, so now we'll head to the manifest details page and review it before we send it to CBSA. So scroll down to the bottom and click Save and Start New ACI Shipment. It's important to note that if we had a shipment to add, you would select Save and Start New ACI Shipment. But since this is empty, just click Save and View Trip Details, where you'll be brought to the eManifest Details page. And if you'd like to learn how to create an ACI eManifest with a PARS shipment, click the link at the top of the video now. Now we're on the ACI eManifest Details page, and you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. If any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do it here. For example, I'll add a team driver here. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBSA. So go to the top and click Sync with CBSA, where your eManifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. After approximately 2 to 3 minutes, CBSA should accept your manifest and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, on file with CBSA. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, arrival reported at border, and remain at that status. Congratulations! You've successfully created an empty ACI with BorderConnect using a mobile device. It's important to note that the driver must wait 1 full hour after the acceptance of the ACI eManifest before proceeding to the border. This type of manifest is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. BorderConnect also provides an industry-leading AC manifest solution for crossing into the United States. To learn how to make an AC manifest with a mobile device, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.